Hello everyone, welcome to my another new video. Hope you are all fine and healthy. Guys, I come every time with some exciting busy videos, so it's not different today. Today I like to talk about a video that how you delete your Asana account. So now I will show you some easy steps that it might help you to remove your account. So let's get started. First, you need to that there I will show you a logo, and you have to click on that. After that, there is a setting option. Then click on it. And then there is a account tab available there. You need to click on there. Then scroll in the downward, and there is a deactivation option is available. So you need to click on there, and then it totally remove your account. So it is very easy for you, and that it is. I hope you will find the video valuable. Please don't hesitate. If you want to know you anything more about this video, you can also share your experience with us. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.